Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to help us with producing more videos. The secret to Silky-Smooth Car Trunk Operation. Ever noticed a squeaky noise every time you open your car trunk? That annoying sound is often a sign your trunk isn't well lubricated. Proper lubrication is key to keeping your trunk's components in top shape. Without it, you risk rust, wear and tear, and even potential damage to the trunk's locking mechanism. Today, we'll cover the essentials of car trunk lubrication, why it's vital for your vehicle, and how to keep your trunk operating smoothly. Stick around to learn how to prevent common trunk problems and extend your car's life. The significance of car trunk lubrication. Regular lubrication of your car trunk components is crucial for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your vehicle. Let's see why lubricating hinges, locks, and latches is essential for the well-being of your car trunk. Preventing corrosion and rust. When metal components of your car trunk are exposed to moisture, they are at risk of corrosion and rust. By applying the right lubricants, you create a protective barrier that shields these components from moisture, preventing the formation of rust that can compromise the structural integrity of your trunk. Opt for lubricants specifically designed to resist water and offer long-lasting protection. Be sure to choose products that are safe for your vehicle's materials to avoid any damage. Enhancing trunk mechanism performance. Lubrication plays a vital role in the smooth operation of your trunk hinges, locks, and latches. Over time, these components can become stiff or squeaky due to friction and lack of proper maintenance. Regularly lubricating these parts ensures they move freely, reducing wear and tear on the mechanism. Keep an eye out for signs such as creaking noises or difficulty opening and closing the trunk, as these indicate the need for lubrication. Applying lubricants at the right intervals can improve the overall performance and lifespan of your trunk mechanism. Remember, a well-lubricated trunk not only prevents rust and corrosion but also guarantees smooth functionality, making your day-to-day car usage hassle-free. By incorporating a simple lubrication routine into your vehicle maintenance schedule, you can ensure your trunk components stay in optimal condition for years to come. Types of lubricants for car trunk. When it comes to maintaining your car trunk, choosing the right lubricant is crucial for keeping components in top condition. Let's see the various types of lubricants available and their unique benefits. Spray lubricants. Spray lubricants are a handy solution for lubricating hard-to-reach areas within your car trunk. Their aerosol form allows for easy application, making them ideal for hinges, latches, and locks. These lubricants excel in penetrating tight spaces and crevices, ensuring all parts receive adequate lubrication. Additionally, spray lubricants leave behind a protective coating that helps prevent corrosion and rust, extending the lifespan of trunk components. Silicone-based lubricants. Silicone-based lubricants offer excellent protection for rubber seals commonly found in car trunks. By preventing these seals from drying out and cracking, silicone lubricants help maintain their flexibility and effectiveness in sealing out moisture and debris. They are particularly suitable for weather stripping and trunk lid seals. Whether you're dealing with extreme temperatures or frequent exposure to the elements, silicone-based lubricants provide long-lasting lubrication and protection. Grease. When it comes to heavy-duty trunk components like hinges and springs, grease is a reliable choice. Its thick and viscous consistency provides long-lasting lubrication, ideal for parts that undergo constant friction and movement. Applying grease to trunk components requires precision to avoid over-lubrication, which can attract dirt and debris. It's essential to follow manufacturer guidelines and apply grease sparingly to ensure optimal performance and longevity of trunk hardware. By understanding the unique properties of spray lubricants, silicone-based lubricants, and grease, you can choose the right lubricant to keep your car trunk operating smoothly. Each type has its advantages and drawbacks, so consider the specific needs of your trunk components before selecting the most suitable lubricant. How to lubricate your car trunk. Before diving into lubricating your car trunk components, it's crucial to make the necessary preparations to ensure a smooth and effective process. Ensure your safety by wearing protective gloves and eye gear to prevent any potential accidents during the lubrication process. Step 1. Preparation. Begin by gathering all the tools you'll need for the job, such as the lubricant, a clean cloth, and a brush for application. Make sure the trunk area is clear of any items to provide easy access to the hinges, locks, and struts. By preparing the workspace and yourself, you set the stage for a successful lubrication process. Step 2. Choosing the right lubricant. The key to effective trunk lubrication lies in selecting the correct lubricant for your specific trunk components. Consider the materials of your hinges, locks, and struts when choosing a lubricant to ensure compatibility. Opt for a high-quality silicone or Teflon-based lubricant as they work well with various materials and provide long-lasting lubrication benefits. Step 3. Applying the lubricant. When it comes to applying the lubricant, ensure you do so with precision and care. Start by applying a small amount of lubricant to the hinges, locks, and struts using a clean cloth or brush. Focus on distributing the lubricant evenly across the components to guarantee optimal coverage. Work the lubricant into the moving parts to facilitate the smooth operation of your trunk mechanisms. By following these steps and guidelines, you can effectively lubricate your car trunk components, ensuring they function seamlessly and prolong their lifespan. Remember to regularly inspect and lubricate your trunk components to maintain their performance and prevent premature wear and tear. A well-lubricated trunk not only operates smoothly but also enhances the overall functionality of your vehicle. Regular trunk lubrication is a simple yet often overlooked aspect of vehicle maintenance that can significantly impact the functionality and longevity of your car. By ensuring your trunk components are properly lubricated, you can prevent wear and tear, reduce friction, and extend the lifespan of your trunk mechanisms. Remember, a well-lubricated trunk not only operates smoothly but also contributes to the overall performance and preservation of your vehicle. Make trunk maintenance a priority to keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.